make sense, and you're just going to do it. Because if you don't, you will beat yourself. Like, why didn't I do this before? Especially when there's a deadline approaching, so you got to do it now. All right, do it now. Okay, so what am I talking about? Um, this is going to be a short video because it explains itself, it, it sells itself. There's not much explanation needed. So now, how would you like to get paid just by telling other businesses that they can get a grant from the federal government just because whatever circumstances happened during the pandemic? So during the pandemic, some businesses received loans, some did not. Some received grants, like the PPP loans and all that, right? Um, but there was another grant called the ERC grant. Uh, a lot of businesses did not take it because they didn't know about it. Okay, they honestly didn't know about it. Actually, some knew, but it was too complicated at the time. So now Congress has this huge law on their hands with $1 trillion earmarked for small businesses, but the small businesses didn't know about it, so they didn't take it. So now they're asking regular people to become agents to spread the word. That's literally what's happening right now. So we can now become an agent for free. There's no cost. You can become an agent for free to spread the word to other businesses, telling them, hey, there's a grant with your name on it. You need to apply to get it, right? Some will be approved, some will not be. It depends on certain circumstances. So what's happening is you need either 10 or 5 employees or more. So either 5 or 10 employees or more, depending on certain circumstances. And there must be W-2 employees, not 1099. So it must be W-2 employees. And there are 2 companies that's allowing us to be agents, again, for free. And they are paying us to do that. So one company, their minimum is 5. Um, the business must have 5 employees or more. And another company that's doing it, their minimum is 10 employees or more. All right. And so I'm going to play the video, and then I'm going to tell you how much you can make. Sorry, I'm going to tell this person called me back. How much you can make per grant. Okay, I'm going to do that now. Just by telling people. It's crazy.
Hello, this is Tony with Jorns and Associates. Today we'll be discussing the Employee Retention Tax Credit Program. The ERC was first introduced in the $2.1 trillion CARES Act back in March of 2020. It earmarked up to $26,000 per employee for business owners who kept employees hired during the pandemic. This is a fully refundable tax credit against the employer portion of Social Security payroll taxes or the Medicare tax, depending on the period you're filing for. It's paid to you directly via a check. It's not a loan. You don't have to ask for forgiveness. You don't have to pay it back. And these funds are not earmarked. You don't need to use them for payroll or operating expenses. The ERC can be utilized at the discretion of the business owner. You claim the ERC by filing an amended 941X quarterly payroll tax return, claiming your credits on lines 18 and 26. There's several misconceptions about the ERC. many owners do not think they'll qualify because they did not have a revenue decline, or maybe their revenue increased during the pandemic. Maybe they didn't experience any shutdowns, or they received PPP loans and those loans were forgiven. And while these are factors in the process, they certainly do not disqualify your business from receiving the ERC funds. The qualification process is extremely thorough. Our team will go through gross receipts, revenue sectors. We'll look at your day-to-day operations, your supply chain, basically how the pandemic affected your day-to-day business throughout 2020 and 2021. The scope of engagement is pretty straightforward. You can connect us with your CPA, your bookkeeper, payroll team, so we can get all the documents necessary to file the ERC on your behalf. You'll complete our basic client questionnaire, get us any PPP loan information, provide us with your original 941 returns, so then we can file the 941X amended returns with the IRS and claim the ERC funds. We do not guarantee any specific refund amount until we have all your payroll data and we can run the calculations. We do guarantee that our calculations are accurate. We do guarantee that our filings with the IRS as a paid preparer are compliant with program rules and regulations. And we do provide long-term audit support and carry E&O insurance with up to $1 million per client. The service fee structure creates zero risk for business owners who decide to work with Jorns & Associates. We have a contingency fee of 20% on the amount of credits delivered, and we charge a fully refundable deposit of $2,600 due at signing. If for whatever reason your company does not qualify for the ERC program, we refund the $2,600 immediately. If you do qualify, then we'll invoice you for the 20% contingency fee minus the $2,600 deposit you paid at signing. So that is credited towards your fee. So if you get paid by the IRS, you owe us money. If you don't get any money from the IRS, you owe us nothing. We have software performed calculations to eliminate human error, and we have a fully audit-ready package, which includes our compliance services. If you want to move forward with our ERC program, the associate that you're working with can send you an engagement letter that you can sign, remit the fully refundable deposit, provide us with your completed questionnaire and the required documents, your revenue spreadsheet, the 941s, the payroll documents, your PPP loan details. We'll have an onboarding specialist assigned to your file so you have a point of contact to help you through this process from beginning to end. Our CPAs will prepare all the filing documents, send it over for your team to review. The documents will be signed, mailed to the IRS, and in approximately 14 to 20 weeks, you'll receive your check from the IRS. Once you get paid, we'll have you pay us the remaining balance for the contingency fee, and that's due after you get your check. There's plenty of information about the ERC on the irs.gov website. You have to go through all the different PDFs, and you can also review the CARES Act, the Consolidated Appropriations Act of 2021, and now the new infrastructure bill will have an effect on the guidance. So you have to keep up with everything, which our team will do that on your behalf. The bottom line is there's over $1 trillion earmarked right now for businesses just like yours. And right now, that $1 trillion+ is sitting in the United States Treasury's account. Connect with one of our associates today and let us help you move those funds out of the Treasury's account and into your business account where they truly belong.
Oh, okay. Sorry about that. Let's try this again. You couldn't hear me. Hate when that happens. I don't know where you did not hear me from, but thanks, Destiny, for letting me know. I'm not going to do it all over again. All right. So I was saying, what was I saying? It's really simple. This is just bad live TV. You get 4% of whatever the business gets. Okay, so this is how it works. So I'm talking to two people right now. If you're a business owner and you have 10 employees or more, click on the link below, put your information in there, and your information will go to the accounting firm. Okay, that accounting firm will call you back to ask for your documents, your business documents, your tax documents, and all that. They will know what to ask you for. You send that to them. As a business owner, I'm talking to right now. You send that to them. They will process it and send it to the IRS. The IRS will look at it and say, "Oh, okay, this is approved. They meet all the criteria." The IRS will mail a check to you as a business owner up to $26,000 per employee. Okay, fine, and then you'll be happy. All right. So if you qualify for $100,000, you get $100,000. If you qualify for $1,000,000, you qualify for $1,000,000. That's what you get because it's up to $26,000 per employee. Must be W-2. Must be W-2 employees, not 1099. Okay. Now to the agent now, because you're the agent that put the business together with the um, accounting firm, you as an agent will get 4% of that grant. Whether it's 100,000, you get $4,000. $1,000,000, you get $40,000 as an agent. Okay. And guess what? It's free to sign up. So if you want to be an agent or an associate, just click on the second link below, sign up for free. And all you do is to go to businesses and say, "Hey, do you have 10 employees? Are they W-2? Yes, yes." Click on the link. Or you can show them little business cards that you make, or you can make little postcards, or you put across your hat, whatever you want to do. Make a t-shirt. But you put that information, they sign up their business on there, and the whole thing goes around. So do as many as you can. Obviously, not all businesses would qualify. Some already got the grants already. You don't know. You just talk to as many as possible, right? It's a numbers game. You can email them, you can call them, you can go into their offices, whatever. If you're going into the offices, make sure you dress well and professional like. So, but you get 4% for just asking two questions. So, but do that soon because it's going to end soon. Not this year, but it's going to end soon. So get that done. Signing up is free. No excuses. Just do it. All right. And that's it. I'll be making more of these videos. I'm doing this because this is, again, this is backed by the federal government. It's not me paying you and then you make 50 grand and I realize, oh, I don't have 50 grand to pay you anymore. No, this is the federal government paying for this. So just get it done. Okay. Okay, just get it done. So I'm telling as many people as possible. So on my video, I'm talking to both the business person and the regular person who wants to make money talking to the business person. You may know a business person on your block or any state. Just tell as many businesses as you can. All right. I don't know businesses you know. You don't know businesses I know. We just talk. Ask people, make little cards, whatever. All right. So that's it. Any questions, give me a call and I will do another video later today. This just came across my desk last night, so I'm just sending it out. And I just think it can help a lot of people. It can help a lot of people because they don't have to pay for it and they just talk to people and they get paid once everything is approved. All right, so that's it. Bye, everybody. Thanks for watching. I'll make sure my audio is up next time. Thanks for telling me again, Destiny. All right, bye, everybody. Click on the link below.